Yo, what's good, y'all? This is day two. Uh, if you guys can see, I updated to Windows 11. And yeah, I'm only gonna be doing two problems today, but it's whatever, At least I'm doing a Leetcode problem. But anyways, for this problem, we're gonna have to use a hash map. Okay, I pasted it because I didn't want to type all that. But anyway, the hash map is the key is gonna be the closing bracket, and the value is gonna be the opening bracket. And we're gonna use a stack. And we just go through each character or each parentheses in the string. Then we check if it's if not in what the fuck, if C not in hash map. What the fuck is this? Okay, if C not in hash map, if we check if it's a opening. Uh, yeah, if it's an opening a bracket, then if it is, then we add that to our stack. So stack dot pen C, then else uh else when we add, we gotta check if they match. So if there's like an uneven amount of a closing opening bracket, then that means we it's not valid. So if not stack, we return false. Else we want to check if uh if they're the same value. So stack dot pop, we pop it first, then we check if the value is the same as whatever the opposite in our hash map. So uh, if pop does not equal hash map at like that, then we return false. Then we can just reach. So this algorithm, uh, it only works if the stack is empty, because then that means it's valid. So we just return not stack. Yeah. Okay, the next problem we're gonna do min stack, and this problem is pretty simple. We just create two stack, two self dot min stack, two stack like this. Then to push for our regular stack, we just append it. So self dot stack dot append val. Then, but for our min stack, first we gotta make sure if we even have a min stack. So if our min stack is empty, we wanna append that value. Self dot. Then if it's not empty, we gotta check if it's if the top is less than uh if the value is less than the value at the top of our min stack. If it's less than val, if the top of our min stack is less than the value, then we just append that value. Append self dot min stack at the top is the last value. And else we can just append. Else this condition is not true, then we just append the value like that. Then for top pop, we just pop both of them. So self dot stack, then self dot min like that. Then top, we just do we just get the top of our regular stack. So return self dot stack at the top. Then this is where we return the top of our min stack like that. What the fuck did I? Oh, oopsies. Yeah, just like that, guys. I know I only did two problems. It's cause I'm kind of lazy, but at least I did some Leetcode, right? But yeah, I'll do more tomorrow. You know how it is. But yeah, that's it for today.